Messenger video call camera settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you have to do is just tap on the settings of the device and scroll down to tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and all you need to do is just search for the messenger application on your device. Here I'm scrolling down. I'm going to tap on messenger, and here you can see the option of app permission over here. So just tap on app permission and make sure that you have enabled the camera option. So as you can see, the camera option is lying on the allowed section, which means that I've allowed and toggled on the option of messenger. After that, go back and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on clear data, then clear cache. Okay, now just go back and go to the Play Store application and tap on the search bar and search for messenger application. So make sure that you have updated and you have got the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, there is no updates available. It means that I have the latest version and updated version of the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.